Good Saturday, everyone. I hope you've had a wonderful work week and that you're ready for a restful weekend ahead. It might be one to kind of stay inside, maybe not because of the rain, but because of the heat and humidity if you're not a fan, or you can stay in your air conditioned vehicle. Upper Cumberland Federal Credit Union bringing us our weather headlines. Elevated rain and storm chances this weekend. So we do have a good chance for showers and thunderstorms scattered about. You all know the drill. Monitoring flash flood risk, we can never let our guard down with those risks in this type of environment. It is so humid outside. Plenty of moisture to work with for thunderstorms. Unsettled summer weather does continue into next week. Clearview Closet and Blind brings us our 5-day forecast and scattered showers and thunderstorms today and tomorrow. It's not going to rain everywhere. It's not going to rain all the time. It's not going to rain all day. It's just scattered showers and thunderstorms. So if you have outdoor plans, don't cancel them, but just be aware that there is the risk for a storm. And so you need to have a plan in place. Make sure you can seek shelter from the lightning. Some of the storms can become very intense very quickly, can even become localized severe, maybe even before the National Weather Service can even issue a warning. We get that damaging wind gust that comes through and blows a tree down or two, breaks some tree limbs. That's, it happens so quick, the Weather Service doesn't have time to issue a warning, but boy, you sure know it when you experience it. So these summer storms can be very intense in a very short period of time. 70% chances for, scattered showers and thunderstorms today and tomorrow, highs in the mid 80s. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we go to a 50-50 shot for showers and thunderstorms, mainly in the afternoon and evening, that heat of the day type stuff. So temperatures warming up a little bit more next week with a little bit lower rain chances, but my goodness, we still have that shot for scattered showers and thunderstorms even into next week. Premier generators reminding us widespread severe weather not expected. But like I said, any storm can become localized severe, and never let your guard down with that lightning. We don't rate storms. We never issue warnings for lightning or severe thunderstorm warnings based on lightning. Some people message me and they'll say, "Mark, that storm had so much lightning. Why wasn't it severe?" There is no criteria. Severe thunderstorm is wind gusts greater than 58 miles per hour or hail 1 inch in diameter or greater, and or producing a tornado. Is when the National Weather Service issues severe thunderstorm warnings. So there is no criteria for lightning. On this day in history, watch this for Bramble Travel, 1914, Byrdstown, just up the road in Pickett County, sets a record high of 101. 1980, the temperature at Livingston reaches 108. So let me tell you something, folks. It can be warm this time of the year. And while we may complain about the heat and humidity, that humidity is what keeps us from getting to that century mark. My goodness, that would be terrible. 2007, the oxygen generating system became operational on the International Space Station, which of course opened up all kinds of potential there. And in 2012, a powerful solar flare erupted from the sun, followed by coronal mass ejection that was directed towards Earth, and which can set off all kinds of northern light shows and even can disrupt communication with some of the more sensitive systems on Earth. You folks have a wonderful Saturday. Keep looking up. For more weather information, meteorologistmark.com.